welcome to today's vlog. Did my morning routine, showered, got dressed. I'm actually wearing a skirt today, which I wear all the time when I go out at night, but never during a regular day. I thought, you know what? I'm trying mildly. I got together my vitamins for the day. I matched my vitamin bowl today. Gonna take my vitamins for the morning. Also, I'm going back to drinking this big bad boy because I need to stay hydrated. I love drinking from my beautiful glassware, but for efficiency, I need to start drinking this bad boy again. I have my vitamins in my little pack every day from Care of. You guys know I get my vitamins from Care of. If you guys don't know, Care of is a subscription supplement service that makes it easy to stick to a consistent vitamin routine. Just super easy and concise to take your vitamins every morning because they have these personalized little daily vitamin packs, which are also perfect for on the go. If you go on Care of's website, they have this quiz. It's really short, it takes about 5 minutes, but based on your answers to the quiz, they give you personalized recommendations, and that's how I got my little vitamin pack and all of the recommendations that they have. They also recommend you powders. So I have the chia flax powder, which is good for gut health. They also just came out with in October a line called the Gut Musts, which I think is so cute. It's all related to gut health. I have the digestive enzymes one, which is a blend of enzymes to help break down dairy, gluten, fiber, and more, which very helpful because if you guys have been paying attention, you know that I've been having my fair share of dairy and gluten, okay? While it's this time of year, I'm going to indulge a little, have my gluten and dairy, but I have this to help me. Like I said, Care of launched a new line of versatile formulas that level up your existing routine to manage your gut health. Gut health is foundational to your overall health because it influences other areas like sleep, weight, your mood, and immunity. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to take Care of's quiz to see what's recommended for you, and you guys can use my code Siena to get 50% off your first order. I've been vacillating between doing my decluttering now through December or just doing it all in the new year, and I feel like it's gonna be very overwhelming to declutter my entire life in the new year because I am planning a little vlog series of getting your life together for the new year, like duh, but I think it's a bit overwhelming to do all of it then, so I'm thinking we start with the closet now because that is the problem area in my apartment. I also have a ton of schoolwork, which is not really that fun, but I also want to do some baking tonight. I haven't made pumpkin bread. I've been making banana bread, but I haven't made pumpkin bread. So we're gonna do pumpkin bread, and I want to watch all of the Halloween episodes of like The Office, Gossip Girl, Friends. I do have to edit some Instagram reels and then shoot an Instagram story for a brand, and then we can get started with our day. Excuse the terrible lighting and terrible background, but this is my outfit today. I am wearing this black skirt from Princess Polly, this little cropped black tank top from White Fox, the jackets from Revolve, and then I'm wearing my little loafers from Steve Madden, which I have had them for a year and never wore them because I thought they looked ugly on me. But like, it looks okay with this outfit. I don't know. I'll link everything down below if you care. But I want to start doing outfit of the days in my vlogs. Maybe getting a better mirror setup going, but I want to start doing outfit of the days and like actually trying to put together some cute fall outfits. I'm in sweats because girly, I'm not gonna wear a skirt and a jacket to declutter my closet. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was cute when I left the house, but I'm gonna go back to sweats while I'm doing decluttering, you know? I'm gonna start by tackling this dresser because it is so chaotic in there. The only drawers that have what they're supposed to in them are my workout clothes and my underwear drawer. Only two that are actually, everything is where they're supposed to be. The rest, free for all. I'm using my laundry basket for my Halloween stuff, for my Halloween costumes. So that's that. Towels need to be washed, but let's declutter the dresser. I'm gonna play some Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift on Amazon Music.
What? Again? What? The drawers, that's my underwear drawer. And then up here, goddamn, I hate the Pirate's Web. Oh, Pirate's Web, whatever. Then here's my workout sets, but these are not all of them because I have so many more in that closet just sitting on the top shelf. And then here I did all of my pajama sets that are pants wise. So everything that has pants is gonna be in here, and they're all sets. So everything matches, which we love. So it's giving my winter pajama drawer. And then in here, ooh, I love this. All my t-shirts, I like the way I did that. And then all of my sets that are shorts. So summer sets, and then little like nighty dresses. That's the vibe currently. Again, I do have more pajamas in there. So we're gonna probably have to get like little bins or little baskets and put them at the top of my closet. Actually, I'm thinking I'm gonna put all my bathing suits in a little basket and put them in my closet, and then put the extra pajamas in here, because that just makes more sense to me. Does that make sense to you? It makes sense to me. And then in here are all of my skirts and shorts. Yeah, I just didn't think that it was practical to hang them. Skirts and shorts are in here. That's the dresser for now. Okay, so these are the fall clothes that I have to list on Depop that I've had since last time I went through my closet. I'm gonna list everything on Depop right now because would love to make some room in this bin, and then we'll put the stuff that I go through in my closet now in here. But yeah, everything in here is fall related. If you guys want to shop my closet, I will have my Depop link in the description box below. That's where I sell all my stuff. I'm gonna watch Red Dead videos and do this, so yeah. What do you know? I'm back in the jacket, bitch. I'm cold now. I think I'm sick. I actually just think that I've been having some random flu cold for the past, I don't know. I really don't know. And I called my doctor and I was like, girlie, something's up. Something's up. And she thought I was pregnant. And I go, girl, I will take a pregnancy test on the phone with you right now. It's possible, but no. Not pregnant, so I'm in dire need of something warm, something fluffy, something comfort foody. So I want to bake today. I want to bake some pumpkin bread because I have not baked pumpkin bread in this entire October. I've done banana bread, but not pumpkin bread. Baffles me, blows my mind that I haven't done it yet. I found a really simple pumpkin bread recipe on Pinterest. It's gluten-free, dairy-free. SAR, that's what we're gonna be doing. There is a cream cheese frosting that is dairy-free, but I don't have the stuff for that. All you have to do is really just buy Kite Hill dairy-free cream cheese. I just don't have that, and if you think I'm leaving the house today, you've lost your mind. I'm switching it up. I'm not gonna listen to Taylor Swift this time. I'm gonna give it a little break. I'm going to watch Gilmore Girls while I do this, so. It's really not fall unless you rewatch Gilmore Girls, Gossip Girl, and Vampire Diaries. Look at her all done and ready. So cute. Well, these plans aren't spontaneous. I just forgot that I had these plans, but I'm going to a hockey game with some friends. So this is the look. Basketball on board for, kind of understand. Hockey, whole different league. We're just testing out all the sports lately. And I'm wearing this top from Revolve and then these 70s flare jeans from Abercrombie. My ye old faithful ankle boots from, I want to say Steve Madden, I don't know. I'll also link this outfit in the description in case you like anything. It's the most basic outfit ever, but that's my style. So I'm gonna go to a hockey game in a little bit, and yeah. This might be a horrible idea, but bear with me here. I am going to cut my own bangs. Actually, I used to do this all the time. My mom would give me a base, and then when they got too long, I would trim them. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that today. Girl, if you make me mess up my hair. So anyway, what was I saying? I look like a little elf. Anyway, I'm gonna trim my bangs because One of my costumes for this weekend is Pamela Anderson circa barbed wire, and I just need to bang it up, okay? My bangs are just too long right now. Do I even have a comb for this? No. I'm gonna use my fingers. Oh my God, am I stupid? Yeah, this is so dumb and probably my worst idea. I'm just gonna wing it, like, this is so stupid. I'm sick to my stomach. Now I just have to go in and do this. I look like the white. This is so effing bad. And I chose to do this right before Halloween. Like, girl, do I have any brain cells left? No. So I look like Dwight, but once I blow dry my hair tonight, it'll be okay. I have faith that it'll be okay. The messier, the better. It just looks like Dwight right now because I have the little swoop, swoop. But when I blow dry my hair tonight, it won't be, I won't want to cry as much. Sybil! All right. I wish I could include in this vlog getting ready for Halloween night. It is Friday, October 28th, and I'm just filming this clip. And then I'm about to upload this video, but I really wanted you to see me cut my bangs. You're not gonna be able to see me get ready for Halloween, but if you follow me on Instagram stories, you will see, or if you follow me on Instagram, you will see all of my costumes this weekend. And yes, because I don't wanna like start a new vlog and then upload a full Halloween themed vlog after Halloween. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, anyway, so Friday I'm gonna be a devil, which is today. Today I'm going to Saints and Sinners party and I'm gonna be a devil. Tomorrow I'm going to a nightclub and I'm gonna be Pam Anderson, circa barbed wire. That's hence the bangs. Friday I'm doing brunch and I'm dressing up as Ricky Bobby's wife. My friend's gonna be Ricky Bobby. I did want to show you like some of the stuff for each of the costumes. The sunglasses, I got the jacket. Like, look how cute. Low-key, I'd wear the jacket to the bars on a regular ass night. It's kind of a vibe. I don't know what I'm gonna do for shoes. But this is a daytime look actually because we're doing this for brunch. So that's my Ricky Bobby's wife costume. What is her name? I keep calling her Ricky Bobby's wife, but like I haven't seen the movie in so long and I do not remember her name. Zoning. I know she's a homie hopper and I know that's very fitting. So, okay, the lighting is terrible, but this is the dress I'm gonna wear for tonight to be a devil. And then I just have like devil ears that I've had. My red sunglasses, and I think I'm wearing those heels, like those black super high pumps that I showed you in my last Amazon video. I think that's gonna be tonight's look, and then I'm gonna do a red lip and see what's up with the makeup. Hold on a minute. I also do have lots of red bras and like lingerie, so I was thinking maybe potentially could do a red bra with like this red skirt, but I feel like none of the bras are this color. They're more burgundy. I don't know, we're gonna have to see what's up, but that's kind of like a very chill vibe for tonight, just like super easy. Okay, and then for Pam, I have this bodysuit, which I could wear with leather leggings, or I'm about to go pick up fishnet stockings, or tights, maybe just this and fishnets, but also that is extremely insane because ass fully out, and I don't think I want to do that, but like maybe I could wear like a short skirt with it. I don't know, but like Pam Anderson did the whole corset and then fishnets, but I could wear leather leggings. And then I do have like thigh-high boots that I was gonna wear, maybe knee-high leather ones. I really don't know the vibe. I will have to see. And then I have the gloves, which was from my Playboy costume, which I was gonna do Playboy Bunny. I'm switching to Pam. I did buy the temporary tattoos, and then I'm gonna do my makeup like her. I'm gonna do the regular blowout that I always do. And then that might be the vibe for Pam. I wish I planned more in advance. Next time I'm planning like 2 months in advance because it took me forever just to decide what I was gonna do and then matching with certain people. So it's like, I'm next time just planning more in advance and planning for solo costumes so I can really flourish and shine. You'll see that on Instagram. But I hope you enjoyed this little full vlog and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.